Hi everyone, in this video we'll be talking about the Waldent Implant PhysioDrive system. So as we switch on the machine, this is the screen that we see, and we see that there are various programs and modes which are given here that are marked here in terms of placing an implant, setting a closure cap, a free use, rinsing function, marking function, pilot drilling function. Each of these programs has been linked with a default speed and torque, which is further adjustable according to the variability in your case. The water can be adjusted in 5 modes, either using the foot control or using the manual touch button. We can change between forward and reverse mode. We can change between different torques, 16:1, 20:1 and 27:1. We can change the light here, and the various settings and the calibration are provided here, including the user manual, to help you understand that this is the program, this is the speed control, the torque control, the water flow, the forward reverse, speed ratio, brightness and other settings. These are the program that are listed here. So this is the marking feature to mark where you will be placing the implant using a positioning drill, the pilot drilling feature, the template feature which determines the diameter of the hole, the thread cutting feature which is going to make a thread on the hole to match the implant placing, setting the closure cap, and the free use and rinsing function. Various torques are defined here. Other adjustments here include the screen brightness adjustment and the motor calibration. Factory reset data is also available, and other volume settings are also available. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.